Assalamualaikum. Today's lesson number 10 of chapter Biodiversity, SLO number 3.6.1, 3.7.1 and 3.7.2 we are going to cover. 3.6.1 Describe aims and principles of binomial nomenclature with example. Look at the slide. First of all, bi means two, nomial means name, nomenclature means system of naming. It means that now we are going to study about the system of naming in which we can give the name of any living organism with two words name. In the second slide, it is clearly mentioned that it is the method of giving each species a name consisting of two words. Second point, the first name is generic name, which is the name of genus, and the second name is the name of species, specific name. Genus is written by capital letter and the species name is written by small letter. Both names should be underlined or should be written in italic form. Now, what are the aims and principles of binomial nomenclature? Actually, there are some problems with common names. Example, different regions have different names for the same organism. Like onion, in Urdu we call pyaz. It is also known as ganda or basal in different languages. There is different names in different regions, hence for universal, in science it is known as एलियम सीपा. मुख्तलिफ रीजन्स में अगर मुख्तलिफ नाम है तो फिर उनको पहचानना, आइडेंटिफाई करना, it is quite difficult. For this reason, we gave scientific name जो कि commonly known होते हैं, commonly identify होते हैं, like onion का common name, scientific name universally is Allium cepa. Similarly, the name blackbird is used for crow as well as raven. ये भी एक मुश्किल बात है कि एक ही नाम दो चीज़ों के लिए मुख्तलिफ तरह से मुख्तलिफ जगहों पर यूज़ हो. The second problem is that common names have no scientific basis. क्या मतलब? Example, a fish, class है ना invertebrate की. The character of fish are fins, gills, streamlined body, scales. All these characters are the class fish. But in several common names like silverfish, crayfish, jellyfish, starfish do not fit the definition of fish. उनमें वो characters fish वाले नहीं हैं, but in common language we call them fish. So to avoid all these confusion, organisms are given scientific names by binomial nomenclature, and the value of this system is due to widespread use the stability. Now, SLO number 3.7.1 discuss the conservation for the sustainability of nature. What do you mean by conservation? Conservation means protection. Conservation means to protect, to save the organism, the species of natural resources in the environment. Importance of conservation. Number one, to prevent extinction of plant and animal. Second, to maintain the stable and balanced ecosystem. Number three, to ensure conservation of marine life as the major source of human food. Number four, to maintain large gene pool, variety. Many wild plants and animals possess favorable genes by crossbreeding by different varieties of wild plants and animals. And number five, conservation preserve natural scenery and wildlife for people. These are the importance of conservation. Now the SLOs 3.7.2 identify the causes of deforestation and overhunting. First of all, causes of deforestation. Agricultural activities. As we know, as the population increased, our demand of food is increasing. So for the food, for the crops, we need more area for agriculture. That is why we are cutting down the forest and we make agricultural ground. Second cause of deforestation is logging. Usually we are cutting down the forest for different industries, for obtaining timber, for different industries like paper industries, like furniture industries. Number third cause, urbanization. As we know, as the time is going on, many peoples are migrating from rural to urban areas. This is called urbanization. And as the urbanization increase, the demand of building, hospitals, cities, different demand is also increasing. So, for accomplishment of these demands, usually cutting down of forest is going on. Fourth cause is desertification. When with different purpose we are cutting down the forest, so it may cause desertification, or we can say that due to the desertification also deforestation cause. Number five, mining. For obtaining different minerals, different metals, as our demand is increasing, for mining purpose, we are usually destroying the forest. Number six cause, forest fire. Usually दो तरह से forest fire होता है naturally and by the human activities, naturally lighting से, and by the activities or human mistakes. When forest fire occurs, it may cause deforestation in large areas. These are the causes of deforestation. I stop my video here. In the next slide, I will give you causes of overhunting also. I hope these slides will helpful for you. Okay, Allah Hafiz.